meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Iniciando aqui mais um vídeo aqui no canal. E pra você que é novo ou nova por aqui, seja muito bem-vindo. Aproveita e se inscreva aqui no canal. Não esqueça de clicar no gostei, de ativar o sininho para receber todas as notificações do vídeo que eu postar por aqui. E pra você que já é inscrito, seja muito bem-vindo. Obrigado por estar aqui me acompanhando todos os dias. Gente, hoje eu vou estar tendo uma manhã bem produtiva, tá? Vou estar mostrando pra vocês tudo que eu for gravando, tá bom? Eu espero que vocês gostem muito do vídeo. Não esqueça de clicar no gostei e vem pro vídeo. Oi, gente, agora eu vou começar aqui na limpeza da geladeira. Eu vou estar usando apenas o multiuso mesmo, porque como ela não está muito suja, vou passar só o multiuso pra manter a limpeza dela.
Kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny.
É uma coisa também, gente, só pra lembrar pra vocês, eu tô usando também um paninho úmido. E nele eu misturei a água e o vinagre, que eu sempre uso. Aí eu abro na parte da prateleira, eu fico usando multiuso pra dar uma agilizada mais ainda na limpeza da geladeira.
Till tomorrow, could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na
Bom, gente, aqui ficou assim, o congelador eu não mexi, deixei no que tava, só dei apenas uma leve organizada. Aqui deixei tudo que era de frango, mas também tem algumas carnes aqui. Aqui ficaram peixes e aqui também ficaram mais algumas coisinhas. Tem o álcool aqui e tem mais coisas lá atrás. Passando pra cá, pra parte de baixo, aqui ficou assim. Deixei esse Nesquik, água de coco. Ficou aqui na parte assim de baixo, ficou garrafa com água. Aqui no gavetão deixei esse cheiro verdes e esse queijo. Aqui também ficaram mais algumas coisinhas aleatórias, ovos de codorna. Ficou também garrafas com água. Aqui ficaram massas para pastel e alguns iogurtes do Wesley. Aí ficou assim a organização dela. Limpei. Até que ela não estava muito suja, mas na próxima eu lavo. Meus amores, fazendo aqui a continuação do vídeo. Já estamos aqui seguindo para outro dia. E ontem, como eu lavei muita roupa, eu vou pegar hoje e vou dobrar pra me organizar e guardar. Também vou dar uma leve varrida na casa e organizada que tá precisando. Não tá muito bagunçada, mas eu vou deixar pra continuar naquela rotina da casa limpa, tá certo?
just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like.
Gente, eu já aproveitei que como eu ia organizar aqui a casa, eu peguei e dei uma limpada também no meu buffet que estava precisando já por dentro, porque já estava acumulando muita poeira. Eu vou mostrar pra vocês aqui de como ficou. Aqui fora eu peguei também, limpei, que tava com muito pó. Passei o lustre-móveis hoje pra dar aquele brilho. E ficou assim, tá tudo limpinho. Pra ali também, limpei as portas. Aí aqui ficou assim, inverti os panos de prata que eram pra cá, passei a colocar aqui. E os outros que estavam aqui, passei pra cá. Aqui embaixo também limpei, organizei. E ficou assim. Passando pra cá, aqui ficou assim, as taças, copo, tudo muito organizado, limpei tudo. Ficou assim. Agora eu vou seguir com a organização aqui da casa e qualquer outra coisa que eu for fazendo, eu vou pegando e vou gravando pra vocês, tá certo?
Look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah. I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotion. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind.
Bom, gente, aqui no quarto do Wesley, já organizei a cama, limpei ali em cima da cômoda dele, dei uma organizada nos produtinhos, passei o pano. Já também dei uma leve limpeza aqui no banheiro, porque como eu já tinha lavado ele ontem, só mantive ele limpo. E o quarto dele ficou assim. Passei o pano, organizei. Aqui no meu quarto também eu já passei o pano, organizei a cama também. Deixei as janelas abertas para arejar um pouco aqui, porque como está nublado hoje, aí eu deixei para arejar um pouco a casa. Aí ficou assim o quarto também, a cama tá bem organizadinha. Passando pra cá, aqui na sala também já passei pano, varri, organizei. Também tá tudo limpinho, também tá assim. Agora eu vou pegar e vou levar vocês agora para acompanhar aqui na cozinha. A cozinha tá assim, falta varrer, organizar, guardar algumas coisas, retirar esses aqui que foram café da manhã que a gente tomou, algumas coisinhas para levar pra pia. E só isso mesmo, faltando pouquinha coisa.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you.
Eu já acabei agora tudo aqui, vou mostrar pra vocês como ficou a finalização. Então é isso, meus amores, essa foi a finalização do vídeo de hoje, espero que vocês tenham gostado muito. Não esqueça de clicar no gostei, se inscrever aqui no canal, ativar o sininho para receber todas as notificações dos vídeos que eu postar por aqui. Então é isso, fiquem todos com Deus, um super beijão e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!